In this video, I'm going to show you a few options that you have in case if you have to extend the USB cable. Let's say that you have a camera. Some people, they have like video surveillance system with webcams. I mean, it's very cheap, yeah, but you're going to have some issues because the cable, the USB cable, cannot go that far. So at least here, for instance, in this case, as you can see with this adapter, is you can get up to 50 meters or 150 feet. So this is the most economical one that I found, but you have another ones that are better that comes with the power cord. So with the power supply, usually you can go a little bit further. For instance, here I'm going to show you another one that, I mean, this is the same one, but here I found another one. Here you have almost 100 meters or 328 feet. This is very nice. I mean, this one, I mean, it costs, of course, costs like 4 times more. The other is like $20, and this is like 110. And you can see here, you're going to have two devices. Let me click here, so that way, come on. All right. So as you can see, in one end, you're going to connect the USB that goes to the computer. That is the one that goes to the computer. And the other one is the other end. You can connect maybe a video camera, a webcam, or maybe a printer or something like that. And those are the options. For instance, you see here, if you want to use, will be the shortest version, so that way you understand how everything is. So basically, you have the mouse. This is the receiver, maybe a thumb drive. You have the 300 feet, 328, and then you have the transmitter. The transmitter, usually you're going to have the USB cable plus the power cord, and that is how it works. So as you can see here, we have the power cord. It goes with 12 volts, and Cat 6 will be ideal. You're not going to have USB 3, I didn't see it, but at least USB 2 is usable. So here you're going to put the computer, just the power cord in both ends, and then the cable, and then you're going to have the extension that way. So as you can see here, it says for printers, controllers, keyboards, cameras. So I know I had a customer, he had like 3 or 4 cameras like that, that was his video surveillance with the computer. But other than that, remember, usually USB is a cable. If you want to be safe, 3 feet, that will be the maximum, or maybe 5 feet, no more than that. If you start getting longer and longer cables, you're going to start having issues. Here you have another one, is almost $60. So this one is not as much as the other one, 200 feet or 60 meters. And basically it works the same. So as you can see, we have USB, 4 USB. And again, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. So as you can see, same thing. You have a Mac, the transmitter, receiver, power cord. That's it. So in this case, because you see here, at least in what I see here, you have one power cord, one power supply, and the other one is using the USB. I think that is why it doesn't go as far as the other one. Otherwise, if you want to try this 10 feet or 3 meters USB, yeah, you can try. But again, sometimes you're going to start having issues, and it doesn't make any sense when you start having all those problems. It's better just to buy the right thing. That's it. If you want a better or the best video surveillance system, I would recommend you to use Ethernet cameras. They cost more than just a regular USB one, but you're not going to have issues. The same thing with the printer. Instead of running a printer hundreds of feet or meters away from you, just use Ethernet cord, and that's it. With the Ethernet cord, is up to 300 feet or 100 meters, and with the USB, again, if you want to be safe, 3 feet, maybe 5 feet, that will be enough. Otherwise, you're going to have issues and maybe you're going to have problem that you don't know. Okay, sometimes it's working, the product, sometimes it's not, and then you start having all those issues. So I'm going to leave you in the video description this URL, so that way you can. If you want, you can buy this if you have that need. And if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. If you want to watch my other classes, go to the playlist and you will see them organized, by topic. Thank you for watching and see you next time.